In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Lululemon coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Lululemon coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see, we have a list with different promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get up to 10% discount of your next order, all you need to do is select your coupon code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from here and you can use this one on your next order in order to get the 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called retailminute.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this free international shipping, all you need to do is select get deal right here, and you don't need the promo code for this one. You can simply select this button shop at Lululemon, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the promo code will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.